Understanding rare bird, a phrase in the English language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, rare bird. This expression has a unique meaning and is used in various contexts. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understand this intriguing phrase, let's dive in. The phrase, rare bird, refers to a person or thing that is uncommon, unusual, or exceptional in some way. It's often used to describe someone who has rare qualities or abilities that are not often seen. This expression comes from the world of birdwatching, where finding a rare bird is an exciting and noteworthy event. In everyday English, when someone is called a rare bird, it means they stand out from the crowd in a positive and remarkable way. The term, rare bird, can be traced back to a Latin phrase, rara avis, which literally means rare bird. It was first used in a poem by the Roman poet Juvenal around the 1st or 2nd century AD. The phrase entered the English language in the 17th century and has been used in literature and everyday speech ever since. Understanding its historical background can give us a deeper appreciation of how and why we use this phrase today. To fully grasp the use of rare bird, let's look at some examples. 1. My grandmother is a rare bird. She's traveled to every continent. 2. It's a rare bird who can speak 6 languages fluently. 3. In the world of science, a true innovator is a rare bird. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various individuals who exhibit exceptional qualities or achievements. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for rare bird: uncommon gem, one in a million, unique individual. These expressions convey a similar meaning and can be used interchangeably in many contexts. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, rare bird. This expression is a beautiful way to acknowledge someone's unique qualities or achievements. I hope this video has been informative and enriching for your English language journey. Keep practicing, and remember, every language learner is a rare bird in their own right.